Ever wonder how to generate a winning business idea? Here's a 10-step guide to get you started. First, identify your passion. Remember, a successful business often stems from what you love. Second, solve a problem. Look around. What challenges do people face? Third, conduct market research. Understand your audience, competitors, and industry trends. Fourth, observe trends and innovations. Combine existing ideas in new ways. Fifth, assess your skills. What are you good at? Sixth, network. Engage with professionals and like-minded individuals. Seventh, brainstorm. Explore different possibilities and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Eighth, prototype and test. Gather feedback to refine your idea. Ninth, evaluate viability. Consider market demand, scalability, and financial feasibility. And 10th, create a business plan. Outline your vision, mission, market, revenue model, and marketing strategy. There you have it, 10 steps to generate a winning business idea. Start today and who knows, your idea could be the next big thing.